Jai Shri Ram everyone. Welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I am going to talk to you something is very special, very important, and that is never give up, because life is like a big journey. Sometimes it is easy and sometimes it is hard. We all have a dream, we all have a goal. But sometimes we face problem. We feel tired. We feel sad. We think I can't do this. But you must remember, never give up. When you were a baby, you want to walk. You wanted to walk, did you fall? Yes, many times. But did you stop trying? No. You kept trying until you walk. This is the same of your dream, on your goals. You must keep trying. Think about a tree. When you plant a seed, do you see a tree next day? No. It takes time. You water it, you give it sunlight. Slowly it will become a tree, because it needs time, it needs effort, it needs patience. Do not stop watering to your dreams. Do not stop giving light to your dreams. Sometimes we failed. That is okay. Failure is not a big deal. It is a lesson of our life. Think about the scientists. Okay, when the scientists trying any experiment and they fail, so do they stop? No, they try again and again. You must be like a scientist. Okay, so learn from your mistakes. Think about the great people of history. Did they give up? No, they faced many problems, but they kept trying until they succeeded. Okay, you can achieve great thing if you never give up. Okay, so just keep that in your mind. You have to carry your journey. Don't give up, because it's not going to help you. But if you keep trying to do any work, to learn any skill that you want to learn, so you can overcome them all after some times. Because life is full of mountains. Full of mountains means कठिनाइयों से भरा हुआ. Life is full of mountains. Some are big and some are small. Okay, but if you don't give up, you can overcome them all. So please try to not give up. Try to keep your journey. Try to learn whatever you want to learn, so that you can easily achieve your goal. Okay, for this you have to keep some patience, because big things takes time, because the big thing takes time to happen. Okay, so English learning is a big thing. It's not a short thing. Okay, so think about your favorite athlete. Think about his hard work. Okay, think about your favorite player. Think about his hard work. Okay, so if you have any favorite hero, heroine, or player, or any successful person in your eyes, think about their struggle that they faced while achieving their goal. Everyone faced problems. Without facing problem, no one can achieve their goal. If you really want to achieve your goal like fluency, so for this you have to work on it. You have to first face your problem. But believe me, after some time you will feel like, okay, all the problem that you are facing right now, all the problem will automatically, going to decrease by doing practice each and every day. And the light of gain, think about the gain after come to you before struggling your pain. Think about all the gain, and the light of the gain will overcome your darkness of your pain that you are facing right now. Okay, so you have a dream, you have a goals. Maybe you want to be a doctor, maybe you want to be a teacher, maybe you want to be a an artist. Whatever your dream is, it is possible, but you must work hard. You must face challenge. Let me tell you about my favorite player like Virat Kohli. Okay, he is a successful player in India. Think about his struggle. Okay, because any success will not come to you automatically. For this you have to keep your effort. For this you have to give your effort. You have to give your hard work. Okay, any big thing will not come to you automatically. If you are thinking like it's very difficult language, I can't learn this language anymore, I can't pull this journey anymore, don't give up. Okay, because sometimes we feel like sad, it's very difficult, and at that time you don't need to give up. You don't need to think about giving up. Okay, so just keep on going, learning this language. And yes, I believe that after some times you will overcome of different type of problem that you are facing right now currently. So yes, that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.